Okay, this is a quick overview of the brushless version. Impact driver and the drill both made in USA with an XR symbol here. It means it is the brushless version with extra runtime. This is DCD 791 and DCF 787, right? 887. Okay, for this guy, it's I'm using the latest Power Stack battery pack, 20 volts. It's compatible with all 20 volts DEWALT lineup, and this is flashlight switch. Computer, turn off the shop light, please. The lowest level, the medium setting, or the 20 minutes runtime. So this is essentially a very powerful flashlight built in. A metal chuck. This thing is the torque setting, speed setting, with the one being the slowest and the second being the highest setting. It is also made in USA. The brushless version. This is a DCF 887. The chuck, 1/4-inch adapter. One hand operation. So just insert it like that. I did put a magnet here to store all the bits. There's a switch. For the speed settings, 1, 2, 3. 3 being the highest. It's crazy. There's a lot of torque on the third speed setting. It's amazing. I absolutely love those brushless impact drivers and the drill. These are my go-to power tools. If I had to do it all over again, this will be my first pick, the impact driver.